Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Prepare My Funnel, and today we're going to be diving into the Appointments app for ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, specifically, we're going to be covering how to customize and adjust your event invites, making sure that you can essentially customize whatever is sent out with the title and the description of your events and have everything personalized how you want it. So, with that said, let's go and dive over to my screen here and I'll show you how to do everything step by step. All right, now the first thing that we have to do is head directly to event types in appointments. If you're not looking at this page, go ahead and click on appointments, and within that dropdown, select event types. And just like that, she'll bring you to this page right here. Now, from here, if you want to do this for an existing event, just click on the name of it and it should bring you into the settings, or you can go in and create a brand new event type and start from there. Either way, in this case, I'm going to go and click on an existing one just so we can start from area that's already been created. Now from here, just go and scroll down until we see the option for invite settings, this guy right here. This is going to be the area where you can go in and essentially adjust the event name and the event description. If you want to use something like a contact's name within an event, you can do that now, which is awesome. That's one of the major things around this release that was just rolled out. Just click in this area. From there, click in merge tags, and you can go in here and select the correct merge tag that you would like to use. Right, so scroll through, find the right one. So if we go with email address, for example, we'll go like that and say this, maybe we'll make it with a first name. That makes more sense. Meeting with first name, right? So that way, every time someone books an appointment, it'll use the first name that they give and just populate it in that area. Now, same thing goes for the description. You can type in whatever you want here and then add merge tags as you see fit. There we go. We can have something like this where we say, hey, first name, this is going to be business intensive, where we help your business level up, right? There we go. All right. Now, customize it however you want. Make sure that you are putting what you want and what makes sense for your business. All right. That is it. If you have any questions around anything that we covered here today, make sure to let us know down below and we'll point you in the right direction wherever we can. All right. With that said, have a great rest of your day and we will talk to you later.